Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees again. We're at Grapevine now, and this is hive number 67. And we're going to look in it and see what we got going on. Y'all enjoy. Okay, let's take this off. Come on, girl. Okay. Take their screen off. Take their feeder out. They ain't got nothing in it. This one, I think, had a bunch of food in it last time I was in here. I don't remember where exactly when it was because my magic markers didn't work anymore. I'm using paint pens now, and I hope they work a little bit better. This one has some nectar. Girl's bringing in pollen. We have a little bit of pollen on that one. We're going to set it over here. They're eating their pollen over here. This one here has some honey. Has some nectar. Very little pollen. They're doing some festooning. Good little hive. Good little nuke. Add a bug. Add a bug. This one here has some honey, has a yellow queen. Right there. And we had some eggs and larvae in there, so we're going to stick her back in there. But that's what happens when you put your queen in the top. This one has stores, has nectar, has honey, no place for the queen to lay. So we're going to need to do something about that. This is a super frame that has honey in it. Looks familiar. That one there. But we need to get the queen some more room to lay in. And we're going to be changing all these around, people. So should have caught that queen. Yeah, it's not. I did. Yeah. We took some stuff out I thought was a bug. I didn't know I checked this one. That's why I put dates on it. Yeah, I remember this one. This one here is one that needs another frame for that one. Let me check this one yesterday. This one has little stores, but we're going to take it take that one and stick back down there. We're going to take this one. This was full of honey and stuff. So, let me check my camera, don't I? We're going to take this one, that one there, put it on that side of the queen. This one here has some brood in it. So we're going to take that one, put there, put that where it was, put the queen in the middle. Must have been getting late when I did this one. That back there. Yeah, I checked this one yesterday. So, y'all will see this one again. And we'll go ahead and stick this back in here, seeing how we don't have another frame with us. I need to go by the freezer and get some frames in the morning so they can be thawed out by the time we need them. We'll get them some food here. I didn't give them no food. It had to be getting late. There we go. Okay, this is number, what? 67. Okay, number 67. Grapevine. And the date is 11/29. It has a yellow queen. Brood. And top box. Yellow queen underlined with yellow. Okay, people, that's it for that one. Hope y'all enjoy. Like I say, I must have done this one when it was getting dark. And I forgot to do a few things. There's a queen down there bringing in pollen. I'm going to show you my pollen trap. Okay. Pollen trap. Well, it's not a pollen trap, it's just a pollen doer. If I can find it. There it is right there. It's got my dry pollen in it. And the bees are up there eating their pollen. I'll put some more dry pollen in there in a few minutes. Y'all give us a thumbs up, a comment, share, subscribe. Getting late again today. Y'all be careful out there. We'll talk with you later. Bye.